crooked. Huh. After 20 minutes of me getting ready, trying to get the smartphone to connect to my GoPro, which never did work, we are off to Karst Falls, and we are going up the second side, which is where the bridge is out. So we seem to like this side better. There's a few things we want to shoot on the way up. A little bit of snow. Doesn't seem to be a lot of water.
Nope, it's pretty dry.
Pretty dry.
Or frozen, I should say.
Oh.
Well, you didn't bring a chainsaw.
No.
I blame you for that.
I don't have a chainsaw to fit in the backpack. Ah!
Whoa. You remind me of Australia. Come on there, doggy.
Oh, somebody's been up this way. Well, a little disappointed, no water here. So there's got to be a lot of ice at the top that's been frozen over, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. I can hear it coming down, but
yeah, me too.
Nothing here. See, I have a wonderful picture from just down behind that log there, coming this direction. I have a great picture here, but I was kind of hoping I'd see another one, but nope. Should have wore cork boots. But what we're shooting here is the waterfalls, and we're getting in close. So if you look at my screen here, I'm a little under a second. I always try to be under a second, but I'm also trying to find, there's a leading line here for this log that's running in, and I'm trying to get the white of the snow to come leading in. So of course I'm still shooting HDR, so I think this is going to be a lot of fun. Let's see what happens. Turned into a beautiful day here at Karst Falls. You can kind of see the falls up here behind me. So it's awesome to be here. It's a little nippy and a little tricky. We broke through a bunch of holes. We had a little bit of a landslide come down off the icicles, which was kind of cool. I kind of wish I had brought an LED light with me to shine behind the icicles and the water that's coming down and get those lit up. That would have been pretty cool. But hey, what the hell? There's always shooter's remorse. It's one of those things that's always there. So we're done here. So on our way back, or when we were finished shooting from Karst Falls, we decided to come out here and see what we can get. We were hoping to see swans here at the end of Buttle Lake. That's where we are, the end of Buttle Lake. So, but the reflections in the mountain were too good to pass up. We had to come out here and take a couple shots, so we stopped.